There are a few properties of polynomials and monomials that will be important for you to understand as we work with them. First, it's really important to note that polynomials and monomials are closed under the operations of addition, subtraction, and multiplication, but not under the operation of division, and we will see what it means to be closed under something in just a moment. Second, you can only add and subtract polynomials and monomials if they are like terms, and you will learn what that means in a little while as well. Third, you use the distributive property to multiply polynomials with other polynomials or with monomials or with constants. So right now we're going to focus on this first property over here. What does it mean for something to be closed under the operations of addition, subtraction, and multiplication? Closed under addition simply means that if you add a polynomial to another polynomial, your answer is going to be a polynomial. So if you have a certain set of numbers and you add them with another set of numbers and you get the same exact type of numbers out of that, that means that those numbers are closed under the operation of addition. So for example, if I add these two polynomials over here, 2x squared plus 3xy plus 4x squared plus xy, my result is a polynomial. I added a polynomial and I got a polynomial, and this will always be true for polynomials when adding them. Polynomials are also closed under subtraction, which means a similar thing. If you subtract one polynomial from another, your answer will always be a polynomial. 2x squared plus 3xy, one polynomial, minus another polynomial, 4x squared plus xy, is going to give you a polynomial, and this will always be true when you are subtracting polynomials from each other. Next, they are closed under multiplication. So if you multiply a polynomial by a polynomial, your answer will also be a polynomial. There's no way for it to be something else. So for example, 2 plus 3x is a polynomial multiplied by 5x plus 3y. You get another polynomial, 10x plus 6y plus 15x squared plus 9xy. So again, if something is closed under an operation, which polynomials are closed under addition, subtraction, and multiplication, if you add, subtract, or multiply polynomials together, you are always going to get a polynomial as an answer. The exception is division. Polynomials are not closed under division. If you divide polynomials by each other, you might get a completely different type of term or value, and polynomial division is much more complicated, and you will not encounter that until much later. So don't, for the time being, divide polynomials.